Thank you for purchasing the Tea Pot SVG from Unique Designs by Monica. This tutorial is to show you how to assemble this box. Let's get started. Now, I would highly recommend, if you wanted a long-lasting hold, to use glue. But for today's tutorials, I'm just doing double-sided tape. You will need your SVG cutout and a pencil. The pencil is for you to round out the edges just a little bit. Okay, and we're going to do this to every single side. Okay. And now we want to, oh, I just didn't take this one off. Just fold all the perforated edges or the scored edges. I actually cut this using the dash line SVG, it's much easier for me to see. All right, and all we're gonna do is put these two together, push it down, and pull it through. We're going to do the same thing for this one. Push it down and pull it through. And there you have yourself a nice little box. Now, to put on the teapot accessories. Like this. And fold right here, and right here. There's little perforated edges there. And I just take my handy dandy pencil, curl it a little just to give me that handle shape. Okay, now you could do it any two ways. You can put them together to give you the teapot, or you could just spread it out. It's all aesthetics on how you want to do it. I think I'm going to just spread it out just a little bit. I'm going to use double-sided tape. This box is incredibly easy to put together, and if you are doing favors for a wedding or a birthday or a baby shower, these will be a quick and easy thing to do. Just cut a large amount out, put on some TV, and you'll be able to assemble these really quickly. I will say this, if you are using glitter paper, keep in mind you will have to assemble this with glue, hot glue, and I'll tell you why. I made one out of sparkling paper, and it's barely hanging on. As you can see, it's not wanting to stick with just regular glue or double-sided tape. So just keep that in mind. Now it's up to you on where you want it. If you want it this way or this way. I think I want it this way, and I have this upside down. I think I'll put it right there. There, and let's see. And I want it, oh, it's trying to stick right there. Get a nice little place like that. And then the handle, which I need to put some tape on. Oh. Okay. Just when you're recording, the kids decide to be very super loud, and I'm terribly sorry about that. Okay, there you go. Now you can stick this on right there. It's really up to you on how high or low you want to have your handle, and I think I'll have it right there. Now if you wanted to have it a nice little heart shape, just keep pressing on the bottom, and there you go, nice little heart shape. But if you want it lower or higher, it all depends on how much pressure you put onto it. And there you go, there is your tiny little teapot. Now if you wanted a bigger size, you can use a 12 by 12, and their size will increase. It's all depends on what you are using this favor for, or the box itself. So thank you very much for purchasing this SVG from Unique Designs by Monica. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much, and have a beautiful day.